Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Snow Joe Strain Reducing Snow Shovel. If anyone looking for a good all-around snow shovel should consider the Snow Joe Shovolution. This combo-style shovel has an 18-inch wide polypropylene blade with a metal lip, a snap-together aluminum handle, and an additional lift assist handle. The combination makes it easier for adults and children to scoop and push heavy snow across a driveway, as well as lift snow over a deck railing. The additional lift assist handle appeared to be a gimmick, but it really opened our eyes. This shovel was simple to use, required far less bending over than a standard shovel, and provided plenty of leverage for scooping. The Snow Joe is also lightweight, so it can be used by almost anyone, adult or child. Shovolution greatly reduces the effort, strain and potential injury involved in shoveling, using the powerful muscles of your upper body to do the lifting and throwing, and sending lifting leverage to the lower hand. Our second best snow shovel is Garant Sleigh Shovel. You spend less time shoveling when you use a snow pusher. You'll enjoy Garant's Yukon series, and we first tested the 24-inch blade model. The nice long handle is angled so that the grip hits at waist height. Because push shovels aren't designed to move deep snow, the Garant was the most convenient and comfortable to use. The poly blade, like combination shovels, has edges on the sides, which may tempt you to lift snow with this behemoth as well. Resist the temptation. You found it difficult and awkward, especially when carrying a load, to turn the long curved handle and flip over the blade to dump what you had collected. Nonetheless, the Garant is a reliable choice for clearing a few inches of snow from your driveway and sidewalks. Third in our list is Lifeline Aluminum Utility Shovel. The sport shovel is constructed from lightweight, durable, high-quality aluminum and is tested internally by Lifeline's quality control team. The shovel's designed to easily disassemble into 3 pieces for easy storage and portability, making it the ideal travel accessory to keep in your car, SUV or recreational activity vehicle, or even to tote with you in your backpack. This shovel's collapsible design, which breaks down into 3 compact sections, makes it easy to store in your car or anywhere else you want to keep it handy. However, it is small enough that you were able to leave it assembled. The telescoping handle easily adjusts between 2 heights, with the longer 32.25-inch setting being our favorite. It took us a while to move our snow with the small blade, but it's an ideal size for roadside emergencies. The sport utility is available in a variety of colors, but don't expect the paint to last. It scuffs easily, as you discovered. Number 4 in our best snow shovel list is True Temper Poly Snow Shovel. This True Temper was the closest you came to finding a single shovel capable of dealing with whatever old man winter threw at you. The combination blade has a nylon wear strip to increase durability, but it won't help break up ice and only scrape snow from our brick testing area. We didn't have to lean over as much when lifting snow because of the ergonomic curved steel handle, which reduced the strain of handling heavy loads. The shovel performs similarly to other models in terms of pushing, but its scoop design funnels more snow forward rather than allowing it to fall to the sides. The sloped shaft makes lifting heavier snow much easier, and it also aids in digging and obtaining a surface scrape. Because of its 18-inch combination blade, this top-of-the-line True Temper snow shovel pusher is ideal for shoveling or pushing snow. The nylon wear strip increases the blade's life and prevents gouging of decks and other surfaces. It also has an ergonomic handle and an oversized D-grip that can be used with a gloved hand. For details, let's watch more. Our last pick is Overmont Folding Snow Shovel. This shovel can be adjusted from 26 to 32 to give you the best leverage based on your needs. The shovel surface is 11 by 8 inch. Weighs only 1.3 pounds. Our sport shovel is easy to use for all, regardless of size and strength, and easily packs away when not needed. This collapsible aluminum shovel is the ideal snow shovel for your car, SUV, RV, or snowmobile. This lightweight snow shovel can be broken down into 3 pieces and packed into the attached pouch, definitely an ideal car safety accessory or backpack gear to go along with your travel road emergency kit. The compact size and light weight of this aluminum sport utility shovel make it the ideal camping shovel or backpacking shovel, allows you to easily maneuver the shovel when shoveling snow, dirt, mud, sand, etc. It should be on everyone's list of essential backpacking or camping accessories, as the applications are endless. For icy snow on your car window, we have a little ice scraper to remove them easily. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!